welcome back to my channel Goddess World, and my name is Chumki. So welcome back with another haul video. So yeah, this time I have shopped with Purple. So I have the package with me. So I was just waiting for one product, which was the L'Oreal voluminous lash paradise. So I was waiting for this product to receive, and I have received it today. I thought I'll quickly share my haul with you guys because this Purple is having Independence Day sale from 12th till 16th of August. So if you want to buy anything and if you like anything, then you can buy it. This is the right time to purchase. So yeah, I don't have much products because I have already shopped with Nykaa during the sale, and I have shared that video also. If you have missed that video, link in I button, so you can watch that also. Now let's start with first product. So the first product is the Color Bar Blend Etude Beauty Sponge. So this is the Color Bar Beauty Blender. Now I really don't own any a good branded beauty blender, so I thought I'll just take this. So this is a very inexpensive product. This is for 179 or something. It was MRP was 199. So this product was really inexpensive, and it's very soft and smooth, so I thought that I'll buy one. So the next product is the Lakme CC cream. This is in the shade beige. And this is a very small tube. I don't collect a lot of foundations because I don't wear the foundations too much. So this you get in 3 shades. One is beige, honey and bronze. So I've taken this. This is a very small tube. It's very handy to travel, so I don't apply too much of foundation. So I feel like this would be good, really handy if you are traveling and you just need a little bit of coverage. So this will really work that way. So that is the purpose of buying this one for me. Now the next product is from Purple, is this Good Vibes. So this is Good Vibes Argan Softening Hair Cream. So this is the hair cream. This is for the MRP was 315, but I paid around something 200 something on discount. I will mention the prices on the screen. You can use this cream like a conditioner, or you can apply a mask and then wash it off. So I'm really excited to use this hair cream because my hairs are really frizzy. I'll just show you. So it's smells like amla, and this is how the texture is. It is very creamy. You may feel a little bit of lighting adjustment here because I'm sitting in front of my veranda. I use natural lights. I don't have any extra lights. So this weather is very gloomy today, so yeah, too much of fluctuation of lights will be happening. So yeah. So the next product from Purple is this Rose Hip facial oil. So this one MRP was 215, but obviously I got it in discount and I really wanted to try this. Now if I quickly want to show you how it is, this comes in this small bottle, and there is a droplet also, which you can just use it. Now lately I have really started using a lot of facial oils for my skin, and it really works. So even if I want to apply a foundation or anything, I just apply the facial oil and then I do my foundation. And I try to include this in my night care routine also. So this I'm yet to try. If I like this is for 10 ml, and this is all paraben and cruelty free. Good Vibes, all products are paraben and cruelty free. So yeah, that is the reason I wanted to buy. And this is a local brand, so yeah, we are just all being vocal about local. So this I really like. This is a face serum, and yeah, it's for radiant glow and face serum. And you just need to use it. Just clean your face and just apply 2 to 3 drops in your face, and just gently massage with your fingertips. I am yet to use it, so I will update you if I like this product. More Good Vibes. This is a glow toner. So this is the product. This is a huge bottle. I think this is about 200 ml, and again it was 225 MRP, but again I have gotten discount. And again this smells really good. I really like to apply face toner, like rose toners on my face. So it just refreshes your face and hydrates your face. So I really love the toners based on rose. So yeah, this is how the glow toner is. You can use it anytime, after makeup, before makeup, or while removing your makeup. So yeah, this is quite huge bottle. So yeah, really excited to use it. Left with all makeup. So now the next I'm gonna show you is the NY Bay primer. This is a very small tube. Now honestly, I don't use primer. I really don't feel the use of primer, at least for my skin. So what I do is I hydrate my skin really well. I apply facial oil, moisturizer or sunscreen, and then apply foundation. I really don't feel the need of primer on my skin because I don't have that much of blackheads problem. I just have a little bit in my nose. I don't have open pores, so I don't feel the need of a primer. And sometimes I feel that primer makes my skin more dry. So I thought of trying this. Now I have used it today on my skin. So it basically blends like a dream, hydrating in nature, light in formula, minimizes the pores, smoothen out the skin, and perfect base of flawless look. And this was very inexpensive. It was for 15 gram. Okay, this was not inexpensive. So this was for 15 gram for 225. This is very small, but I got it in, I think, 169 or something. So I thought of trying this, and since it is very small, I may be able to finish it up, because nowadays, yeah, we don't feel like buying too much of makeup. This was the primer I've taken, and I've used it today. It does blur out your pores and gives a smooth finish. So yeah, I would highly recommend, because this is very budget friendly, and if you don't want to invest too much in a primer, go for this NY Bay primer. Works pretty well, and it does not dry out your skin also, because I have a very dry skin, and it does the job what it mentioned over here. I have stocked up the Fit Me concealer. Next I have stocked up the Fit Me concealer. This is the shade light, and I have used Fit Me concealer before also, and I really like, because this is very light formula. And I took one shade lighter because I wanted to have a highlighter kind of thing. I don't have much of dark circle, but yeah, the redness I wanted to buy for highlighting, so I took one shade lighter. My shade is now this is for 475, but I have got discount. The shade is fair. So yeah, this is bit light on my skin because I want it for a highlighting purpose. So yeah, that's the one. And with this, I took one more Fit Me Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Matte foundation. This is very small. Like, you see the difference. This is very small in the shade 128. This perfectly matches my skin. This is what I'm wearing today, and it is very lightweight. I have never used Fit Me foundation before, and I thought, let me try, because this is, I think, 15 ml. Yeah, this is for 299, but I got in discount. And this is for normal to oily skin, but I have a very dry skin. It still feels very smooth when I apply, because I literally hydrate my skin before applying this foundation, and I really liked the combination of this. So yeah, I would highly recommend, if you're on a budget, you can try the Maybelline Fit Me, because this is available in mini sizes also. So yeah, I would highly recommend that. Okay, so next is talking about the mascara. So this is, I think everybody is talking about this. I think everyone has talked about this mascara. This is Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is how it is. And yeah, the packaging is rose gold. This is really sleek and classy. And today I am wearing this mascara only, and you can see my eyelashes are looking so freaking good. I really loved it, and I would highly recommend, if you want a mascara which gives length, which gives volume, then go for it. But this was 799 MRP, and I was getting in 519 in discount, so I thought of buying this, and I really love it. It's, the wand is like the magic. I think everything happens with the wand. So this is how the wand is, and it is really easy to apply on the lower lash, also with your upper lash. So yeah, it is bit expensive, but if you are getting in discount like 500, 520, worth it. Buy this, because this is such a great product, and this you get in waterproof. I don't go for a waterproof mascaras. I generally buy non-waterproof, because it's difficult to remove also. But this one, such a great buy. My all-time favorite mascara is the Maybelline Temptation. This also adds volume, length to your lashes, and this is something in 300 something you get in discount always in Amazon. I have taken this from Amazon, but this really does wonder to your lashes. I would highly recommend the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, or else go for Maybelline Temptation. This is like almost over, and you have seen me wearing this in my makeup tutorial. I really love this. So these two are like my go-to mascara, and yeah, if you have this, great. So the last product is this combo. This is L'Oreal Paris Rouge signature lipsticks. This is for $8.49 for two, so the original cost is $1300 for two. So these are the combo which was available in Nykaa also and in Purple also. So each lipstick cost is $6.50, but Purple was giving a discount, so for both you're getting in $8.50. And this is how the packaging is. Comes like this. The packaging is like this. It is color coordinated. So one is a bright pink. This is I represent shade 114, and this is a nude. I chose 121. So these are the shades. I'm gonna show you the shades also. So this was really worthy, and for the longest time I always wanted to buy this, but then I never got a chance to buy. So on discount I thought of buying. The package is really classy. It is a full size product, not a mini or anything. This is L'Oreal Paris I represent, a very good bright pink, and this is a matte lipstick. So yeah, this first gets applied like a gloss. It does apply like a gloss. After a few seconds it dries like a matte, and it is very much comfortable on your lips. Like too much of drying matte. So this is, I would highly recommend if you want a really powdery matte kind of lipstick, go for it. You have different shades also. I'm gonna show you the next is the nude shade. So there were like two packages. One was with red and nude, and one was with a pink and nude. So I opted for a pink and nude. So this is in the shade 121 I chose, and this is a beautiful nude shade, and I love wearing nude. So yeah, this is the nude shade I chose, and yeah, this is how, this is the pink I represent, and this is the nude. Both the lipsticks are really great. It was actually available in 650 rupees, but by the time I ordered, it just went out of stock, and the next option was 850. So I had to order for this because I really liked these lipsticks and I really wanted to buy. This product expires in the December 2022, so you have a good amount of time left to use it. And all the products I have taken, I have checked the expiry date. All are getting expired in some month of 2022. So I was like happy they are not selling anything which is getting expired soon. So that was a good thing. Thanks for watching this, guys. I hope you liked this video and found it informative. If yes, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Do give your lovely comments in comment section down. You can follow me in my Instagram also. And with this I end today's video. I will see you super soon. Bye.